So in the fifth today we have the Zealot P11. So this speaker is a pretty portable speaker of Zealot, and it's not very high priced, but it's also not the greatest out there from Zealot. Sadly, this P11 doesn't have any tweeter built in. It just uses two full range drivers, and it isn't necessarily a bad thing, but you do hear that there is a lack of clarity in the speaker, and these full range drivers also have a limitation in their bass performance. So there is a bigger brother of this, the P12. I will not test it out because it has similar hardware to the S85 and the S67. But I do think that the P12 is a lot better choice because it has a tweeter, it has a better bass driver built in, and it also looks a bit better built, I would say, with the button layout on the front. So yeah, sadly, Zealot has do a lot of pretty great speakers lately, but this is one of those speakers that will go on the list of the S22 and also that other small Zealot speaker I had, like the S21 or something. It's sad, but yeah, you can't always have a number 10 or a number 8, and this is definitely a number 4. So without further ado, let's just go to those audio samples so you can see yourself a bit how the speaker performs.
and shouldn't fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of my shit right now. Done adoring you. Give allowance, you got shit to do.